Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete the online store from your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and go to Websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your Hostinger account, and next to the website that you want to disable or to delete your online store from, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and as you see, I have the online store feature. Now to disable this online store, first let's give this website a visit. And as you see, I have this store feature enabled on this account. Now to disable this online store, it's simple. Just click on store from here on the left. You will see this manage store window slides in. Here, click on these three dots next to manage store. And you will see, and you will get the option of removing your online store. Click on it. As you see, all online store pages, added blocks and elements will be removed from the website permanently. If necessary, you will be able to restore the store by selecting online store again. Click on delete. And just like that, the online store is not, and this is how to delete the online store, but don't forget to update the website to publish this change. And now that my website is updated, let's give my website a visit. As you see, the page or the shop page still exists, but the no products. If I refresh this already opened website or page, as you see, no more products. Now, how to delete this shop page from here? It's simple. Just to go back to the website builder, go to pages, and next to the page that you want to delete, click on these three dots and select delete. Are you sure you want to delete this page called shop? Yes, delete. And just like that, you can delete also this all products page and new collection. Let's delete them like that and update your website again. Now let's view my website again, and as you see, the pages are deleted completely. And this is how to disable or delete the online store from your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.